Welcome back for another Fantom price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you reasons why we can see a massive breakout to the upper side in the next coming hours. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Fantom is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to hold above support at around the $0.2295 mark, which is an area that is also acting as support for us to continue gearing up. You can also see that on the charts, we have seen a break above this descending trend line that I've been having here on the charts. And after breaking above it, we have now seen a retest of that descending trend line, and there are high chances that now the retest is in and a success, and in the next coming hours, Fantom is going to continue gearing up to the next key area of resistance at around the $0.27 mark, and a break above the $0.27 mark, we can easily see Fantom get above the $0.3 mark in the next coming days. We also have a chart pattern that has been in formation here on the charts that I'm expecting will also give us a massive breakout to the upper side. And the chart pattern is a double bottom, having our common low at around the $0.2295 mark. And you can see that on the 10th of June, we saw this massive breakdown into that key area of support. We found support and we started gearing up, saw a high at around the $0.33 mark, before we started another breakdown move back into that key area of support. And as a result of those movements, we have now seen these two common lows at around the $0.2295 mark. And as a result of that, we now have our double bottom in formation. And this is a chart pattern that breaks to the upper side, having the minimum target areas for the breakout being given by the height between the neckline and the bottoms. And I was able to get that height, placed it above the neckline, giving me a minimum target area at around the $0.43 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting Fantom to do in the next coming days once we see the breakout to the upper side out of this chart pattern. And for all that to play out, we first need to see Fantom give us a successful retest of this descending trend line, see a reaction of that, break to the upper side, break above the $0.27 mark, see a break above the $0.3 mark before we can then get that massive breakout to the upper side to fully maximize that minimum target area at around the $0.43 mark. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Fantom chart on the short term. And to also give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis on the Fantom chart, you can see that after seeing our December lows, we geared up to the upper side in a 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high above the $0.67 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave. And in the next coming days or maybe months, we are going to start that impulsive wave to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, where I will be expecting Fantom to get us above the $1 mark. And before all that plays out, we first need to also see a confirmation that a low is in place by first seeing a complete 5-wave structure on the charts, followed by an ABC corrective structure before we can continue gearing up. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term and also on the long term. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 54 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.